Hey guys, it's George here. Oh my god, a dropped stitch in brioche. What new hell is this? So, I've just spent 1 hour looking at this fucking knitting going, I have no fucking idea what is going on. So, thank God for YouTube, and I want to share this video on how I managed to learn how to fix a drop stitch in brioche. I'm off to the shops now to buy a crochet hook, and I will slap my little hand for not traveling with a crochet hook. But yes, oh my god, brioche is beautiful and fun until the minute you fuck something up, and then it's like, oh my lord, a whole new world of confusion, at least for me at the moment. So I am enjoying the Steve West knit along, but my god, fucking hell, that was a challenge. So anyway, the video below shows how to fix minor fuck ups in brioche. I'll go get a crochet hook and I'll pop some photos below of the fixed issue. Have a great one, and I hope if you ever have issues with dropped stitches in brioche that this was useful for you. Have a great one, guys, and a big hello from Brisbane.